Have you been wondering how to generate or create these customized AI images to suit your purpose? In this video, I will show you how to generate and create them with your mobile device, and it's free. First thing you need to do is to head over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. When you see it, you tap on it, sign in with your Google account or any other account recommended by them. After signing in, on their home page, you see lots of images like this. Look for the one that has a name or an inscription that suits your purpose or that suits whatever you want to do. This has a name, this has a name. For this video, I'll be making use of this. Tap on it. You can see it is written phobia. After tapping on it, scroll down to where you see remix. Tap on remix. On the text dashboard of Ideogram, tap on where you see phobia. Delete the phobia and impute your inscription or your name to customize it to be yours. Now I've deleted it. I will impute my name, Alicia. This is it. After imputing your name, at the top right of your screen, you see remix. Tap on it. Give few seconds for Ideogram to generate your customized images with your name. Please, while waiting, tap on the plus button and like this video. These are the images it was able to generate with the name I imputed or whatever inscription you want to impute. Tap on the image and download and save. Tap on the second image, download and save. You can see how easy it is to create these images for free. You can edit the text to suit the image you want. Go ahead and start creating yours.